Some special parallelograms. Some special parallelograms. First one rhombus, second one rectangle, third one square. What is a rhombus? What type of parallelograms are called rhombus? Here ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. In this parallelogram, all sides are equal. Then this type of parallelograms are called a rhombus. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. It has all the properties of parallelograms. It has one more properties also there. The diagonals perpendicular bisect each other. That means this is O, this point represent O, angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Angle BOC equal to 90 degree. Next angle COD equal to 90 degree. Angle DOA equal to 90 degree. This type of parallelograms are called rhombus. All sides are equal, diagonals perpendicular bisect each other. It has all the properties of parallelograms also. Next one, rectangle. PQRS. It has all the properties of parallelogram. Then PQ and SR opposite sides are equal. PS and QR also equal. Opposite sides are equal. PQ equal to SR and PS equal to QR. All the angles are 90 degree. Angle P equal to angle Q equal to angle R equal to angle S equal to 90 degree. Diagonals, the length of the diagonals is equal. That means PR equal to QS. Okay. Next one, square. It has all the properties of parallelograms. All the sides are equal. All the angles are also equal. That means 90 degree. Diagonals bisect each other. AC equal to BD. First property, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. All the sides are equal. All the angles, angle B, angle C equal to angle D equal to 90 degree. And AC equal to BD. OA equal to OC equal to OB equal to OD. This type of parallelograms are called square. Exercise 3.3, question number 1. Given a parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement along with the definition of property used. I have already drawn the figure ABCD. Then first one, AD equal to dash. AD equal to dash, that means BC. AD equal to BC. Which property is this? Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Next one, angle DCB. Angle DCB equal to dash, that means angle DAB. Angle DAB. Property, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Next, OC equal to dash. OC equal to OA. OC equal to OA. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonal bisect each other. Next one, measure of angle DAB plus measure of angle CDA. Angle DAB, this angle, angle DAB, angle CDA, this angle, angle CDA. Angle CDA, this angle. These two angles are adjacent angles. The sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. Reason, adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary.